Hey everyone, in this video I wanna to quickly show you how you can use free transform inside Affinity. There are a couple of different transformation tools included and I will walk you through each one step by step. So first let's start with skewing and rotating. Just click on the image or object you want to transform, make sure you are in the vector persona right over here and that you have the move tool selected, this one. If you look at the bottom right, you will see some transform controls. From there, you can rotate your image by dragging the rotation icon, or you can even type in an exact rotation angle. If you want, you can do the same like so, and you can do the same with this one. Just adjust the sliders and you will see the image changing right away. Next, if you want to flip or rotate more directly, you can just right click on the image. You should see the transform menu. Where is it? Transform menu. And you will see here options like rotate, flip horizontally or vertically. Or you can also find the transform options in the top toolbar. It's simple and fast. Now let's take a look at perspective warp, which is also part of the free transforming. Switch over to the pixel persona. We have it over here at this corner. Then long press the move tool and choose the perspective tool. So long press this one and right here you will see perspective tool. Click on that. With this tool you can drag the corners around and change the perspective of the image however you like. There's also the mesh warp tool, which lets you bend and distort the image more freely if you need something more custom. It's right here, mesh wrap tool, and it also look like you can do whatever you like. This is more custom way. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to free transform elements in Affinity. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, please consider subscribing. It really support the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.